Duckling, bubbly, let's sing and play.
In the forest, bright and full of cheer, a little lion boy played near. Fireflies danced, the trees stood tall, magic sparkled over all. By the river, splashing free, laughing loud in childish glee, a duckling swam and waved hello as water sparkled in the glow. Near the campfire, warm and bright, he roasted treats with pure delight. The fox sat close, its tail curled tight, beneath the stars so big and white. Floating high with balloons so grand, above the hills and golden land, birds flew past in skies so blue, a dream so real yet fresh and new. In the land of winter white, he built a snow line shining bright. Snowflakes twirled in joyful glee as foxes danced so wild and free. Underwater, deep and wide, the ocean glowed from side to side. A turtle waved and swam nearby as bubbles rose up to the sky. In the library, tall and grand, books flew high with magic's hand. He found a story, golden bright, that whispered secrets in the light. A hot air balloon took him high, floating gently through the sky. Villages tiny, clouds so near, the world below looked bright and clear. In the meadow, soft and sweet, he shared his food, a happy treat. Bunnies hopped and squirrels came, a picnic full of joy and games.